talk about renewable energy system, focusing on solar and wind energy with the theme powering the future, the rise of solar and wind technology. My name is Isaak Abdullah Manaf, and today I am joined by some amazing friends and speakers. Joining us today are Yahya, a renewable energy engineering expert, Abdul, an environmental and social expert, Rico, CEO of a solar power development company or independent power producer, and Mr. Bahir, a representative from the energy regulator and policy sector. Welcome everyone. Let's start with the basic. Yahya, from a technical perspective, what reason innovation make a solar power system much more efficient and attractive today?
Thank you, Mana. One of the biggest improvement is in solar cell efficiency. We've moved from conventional silicon cells to technology like ERC, and now even random solar cell and being development. This is technologies allow panels to capture wider spectrum of sunlight, which means bigger electricity output per square meter. On top of that, modern inverter are much smarter now and can integrate with smart grids to help stabilize the power system.
That sounds impressive. Abdul, from an environmental point of view, how important is solar power in tackling climate change in Indonesia?
It's play a very important role. Every megawatt hour generated by solar power reflects electricity from coal-fired power plants with significant reduced carbon emissions. Issue that used to be covered such as solar panels are now being addressed through better recycling programs. Socially, solar power also helps provide fair access to electricity, especially in remote areas that are not connected to the main grid.
Now, let's talk about the business side. Rico, from your experience, what are the biggest challenges in developing large-scale solar projects in Indonesia?
There are two main challenges. First, financing every to solar panel risk cap down. The entire investment is still quite high. Second is regulation, expansion related to grid interconnection and net metering, which still net improvement. So bank feel confident providing long-term financing.
Mr. Baik, regarding this regulatory concern, what steps is the government taking to create a more stable investment climate?
We are full aware of these challenges. The government has introduced several key policies, including more flexible rooftop solar regulation and renewable energy principles to attract investors. Our goal is to balance the interests of the national utility and private developer so we can achieve the renewable energy target of 23%.
Okay. Yahya, looking ahead, how important is the combination of solar power and energy storage system like batteries or ESS?
Energy storage is absolutely essential for the future of solar power. Since the sun only shines during the day, batteries allow excess energy to be stored and used at night. With ESS, supply instability can be minimized, making solar power a true replacement for fossil fuel-based power plants.
Abdul, what message would you like to share with the public regarding solar power?
I'd like to encourage people to change their perspective. Solar power doesn't always have to be expensive or complicated. Rooftop solar is one of the most practical ways individuals can reduce their carbon footprint. It's also important to support local government in developing community scale solar projects that directly benefit local communities.
Okay, because maintenance is crucial for long-term investment. Could you share some basic tips on how to keep solar system running efficiently for many years?
Solar system do not require heavy maintenance but consistent is key. We also focus on panel cleaning and regular inspection.
This right, cleaning the panels every 3 to 6 months using clean water can significantly improve performance. It's also important to check the physical condition of the panels, cables, mounting structure, and especially the inverter, since it acts as the brain of the system.
So, basically, keeping the panels clean and the inverter in good condition is the key to a long-lasting solar system. Rico, how do you see the solar business developing over the next 5 years?
The outlook is very positive. The level is cost of electricity from solar becomes the rising and already capture the new fossil fuel power plant. The commercial and industry market is grow fast, especially with the push toward carbon neutrality.
Finally, Mr. Bait, any closing remarks from the government?
The government is fully committed to supporting the energy transition. Solar power is a strong foundation for national energy independence. Let's make the most of Indonesia abundant sunlight.
To work things up, solar power is not just a technological solution, but also a solution for business, the environment, and our future energy needs. Thank you to all our speakers for such an insightful discussion.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Masa